Hi everyone, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So in this video, we'll now know how to make our family relationship stronger. We'll learn about 5 L's which contribute to stronger family relationship. First is learning or Siksha. Strong families are where the children learn about values, behaviors, and different skills. The senior members of the strong family manage and control others' learning experience. The senior members select appropriate television program. The children do not watch TV according to their wish. Guide your children to enter into the world outside the home with life skills and values which are very important. Next is loyalty, nishtha. Strong families have a sense of loyalty and devotion towards the family members. Each is loyal to others. Members should stand each other by each other during any problem or trouble. Next is when somebody is attacking from others, they should care for each other. They should stand to each other when attacked by someone outside the family. Members should be loyal to each other. As we have discussed, nobody should cheat others, nobody should betray others. They also learn a sense of give and take in family. Giving and taking relationship, everybody should understand the meaning, which helps to prepare them for necessary negotiation in other relationship. Third is love. All humans have the need to love and to be loved. The family is normally the place where love is expressed. So without love, family relation cannot be grown. The atmosphere of real love is one of the honesty, understanding, patience, forgiveness, and positive attitude. So all these are necessary for growing love, and love is necessary for the family. Such love does not happen automatically in one day. It requires constant daily effort by each family member. It requires constant daily effort and lot of sacrifice also. Loving families share activities and express a great deal of gratitude for one another. Next is leadership, and this is most important one because without a leader, nothing is possible. So a good leadership is essential for stronger family. Family members, usually the adult, must assume responsibility for leading the family. So if you have capability, you should prefer to be leader so that others will follow you, and leaders has more responsibility than others. Leader has to sacrifice a lot for the family and to make it strong. Leader of the family set rules and guidelines to make the progress of family. That means he should set the rules for himself only, not only that other will abide by the rules and he will not abide the rules, but he is the among the members also. He should command respect and he should have control over other family members also in a democratic way. These rules are based for the family members' greatest understanding to one another, not the forces. That means leaders should have leadership quality so that others will respect, others will listen to the command, and they will follow him. Strong families can work together to establish these ways of life, allowing children to have voice in decision making and enforcing the rule. So while setting the rules and managing it, elder members or senior members should make the children the part, because family goes generation after generation. So everybody should take part in it so that children will learn, children will inculcate the values and attitudes. So we learned that love, loyalty, laughter, learning, and leadership. These 5 minimum L's are required for a good or strong family relations. And you may add to it so many qualities, but these minimum requirements are must be there so that you can make family relationship stronger. And I wish you a happy family, strong family, and thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please share so that you can see much more such type of video. Thank you and have a nice time.